Thank you for asking this question. I think a point that I inadvertently missed and a lot of folks are misunderstanding is that not all land is equally valuable. So some people might disagree on this point, but most economists say that farmland is not as valuable relative to land in a city like San Francisco. It's the tax on the value of the land and not the acreage of the land. A large plot in somewhere like Modesto might be worth the same as a small plot somewhere like San Francisco. This means that most likely land value taxes would be higher on places that are in urban areas than they would be on farmland. So farmlands might actually see a tax cut if we move to a land value tax. Another way that LVT is beneficial to farmland and farmers is that it discourages urban sprawl. By encouraging development in the urban center, you're discouraging development outside of that. So wilderness stays wilderness, farmland stays farmland, and the city becomes more of a city because there are more houses for more people. Here's a relatively simplistic illustration to demonstrate the difference between what a property tax looks like versus a land value tax. You still have 100 homes for 100 families, but you're taking up 4% of the island instead of 100% of the island. So land that is better used for farmlands or better left as wilderness can be left that way instead of taking up all this space for backyards, front yards, and single family homes. So ultimately, LVT could be really beneficial for farmers by taking the tax burden and shifting it to cities and also preserving farmland for farmland.